What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and yet again we are checking in from SeaWorld Orlando. I know we were just here yesterday, but there's some new stuff going on for the 2023 roller coaster project known as High Surf. Let's go check it out. No wait to get through parking, security, and not much of a wait here at the front entrance. We'll be right in. Yep, right on through. Sky Tower, and thankfully again, it's in operation. We'll get some awesome views. So just to give you a heads up as to what we're about to see, well, crews have moved on and they're heading towards the transfer track area. So the transfer table as well as the track should be on there, and we might even be making a turn into the station area. Fingers crossed, we'll see. I know it's kind of a weird thing to report, but this thing didn't have a pulse to it last time. It was just constantly flowing. Well, now it has a pulse.
Welcome aboard the SeaWorld Sky Tower. For the comfort and safety of everyone, we ask that you please remain seated at all times. Thank you. Well as people across the globe taking action to protect these amazing animals and their habitats. Our teams are on call 24/7, 365 days a year, partnering with multiple government agencies, conservationists, zoological facilities, and others to rescue and help animals in need of our care, always with the goal of rehabilitating them and returning them to the wild. In Orlando, this amazing park has been voted the #1 outdoor water park in the USA. Visit the information counter today to see how you can experience Discovery Cove and Aquatica. Facilities and others to rescue and help animals in need of our care, always with the goal of rehabilitating them and for you to play a part in protecting our planet. Each ticket and each experience helps fund wildlife rescue and rehab initiatives. Our mission is to see it here and save it there, from park to planet. From SeaWorld, you'll find Aquatica. Our water park hosts the most water slides in Orlando. This amazing park has been voted the #1 outdoor water park in the USA. Visit the information counter today to see how you can experience Discovery Cove and Aquatica.
Alright, well those were some cool views from the Sky Tower, and they did more work than I was expecting. I knew the transfer track was going to be going in today, but I didn't think they'd make it all the way to the station. And if you notice, there's a giant plot of land right in the launch area where it's all cleared out. We may have the launch in place by the end of the week, guys. They're moving quick. And here we are. We have arrived at the site, our closest view that we can get inside the park from the bridge right here. And there is a much closer view of the maintenance barn, brake run, transfer track, and some of the track leading into the station. Again, this area over here for the launch has been all cleared out, and I wouldn't be surprised if we see launch segments going in within the next 2 days. And the foundations over here for the turnaround, well, they're getting more work. We have seen anchor bolts and caps over there. We just need some cement in certain areas, but most of it is done. And then leading back this way, Airtime Hill foundations, looking pretty good. Some forms in place, and then where the corkscrew is going to be, they're starting work now. And then over on this side, lots of work on the forms for the turns. And we can even see the furthest most point for the foundation, which is going to be right about here, is getting a lot of work as well. One final look at the site. Again, launch track pieces that are over in the little laydown lot in the parking lot over here. Well, they're pretty much ready to go. And we have a crane over here and we have a crane over there. So transportation is easy. So again, my thoughts, by Friday, we should have some sort of launch track in. The weather is rolling in yet again here in Florida. 4 o'clock, and there's the announcement on cue.
Your attention, please.
That's awesome.
Inclement weather may be approaching SeaWorld.
Yep, lightning within 10 miles.
The operation of our roller coasters and water rides has been suspended due to lightning in the area.
Once again, I am risking my life, and I only do it for one animal. Pink chickens! Woo! Easy there. Well, guys, that's going to do it for another update here from SeaWorld Orlando for the 2023 roller coaster project known as High Surf. And as you have seen, we have been here almost every single day since it went vertical in some way, shape, or form. And it's going to continue that way. So if you want to see updates on this project, there is no better place to look than Midway Mayhem. As we saw, well, they did more work than I was expecting. Got the transfer track in, the turn into the station, and the site is looking ready for launch track. Hopefully, we'll see that by Friday. Of course, we'll have plenty more updates, so if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.